Right, welcome to this episode or this session on fractions to decimals and percentages. So the first thing is fractions. What is it? Well, it is the top number divided by the bottom number, okay? And if you can apply this logic to every question that you see with a fraction, it will make a lot of sense, okay? So let's do the first one together. I'm just going to zoom in. Here we go. So 1 over 4, what does it mean? It means 1 divided by 4. And if that is something that you struggle with, go back to your old school method, okay? So put your 1 in there, put the 4 there, and think to yourself, well, how many 4s go into 1? Well, that's 0. Now I know I've got to put a 0 there, and then carry that 1 there. How many 4s go into 10? Well, that's 2. Don't forget the decimal place there, okay? And then I put a 0 there, and I carry the 2 over that's remaining. How many 4s go into 20? Well, that's 5. So I know this is equal to 0.25. Right, let's do the next one. 2 over 5. Well, what does that mean? It means 2 divided by 5. And again, if I'm stuck on how to do it, put the 2 inside, put the 5 there. I'll use a different colour pen so you can see what's going on again. So, how many 5s go into 2? Well, that's 0. So I need to put a decimal place there, decimal there, a 0, and I carry the 2 there. How many 5s go into 20? Well, now I know that's 4. So my answer here is 0.4. So you now can see how to get from fractions to decimals, okay? Now I'm going to do percentages. So how do you get from decimals to percentages? So multiply by 100, and when you do that, your answer will be 40%. And when you multiply this one by 100, your answer will be 25%, okay? Let me move the page down. So if you have a number, let me show you. If you have a number, let's do the 0.25 times by 100. If you look how many zeros there are, 1, 2. So that decimal place moves 1, 2. Decimal place will go there, therefore it will be 25%, okay? Let me show you the other one as well. So we said 0.4, didn't we? 0.4 times 100. Now in theory, there are zeros here which you can't see, it's invisible, okay? But if you put 0 there now, this question will also be easy. How many zeros? 1, 2. And because you're multiplying, you're going to move the decimal place once, twice, and it'll go there. Therefore, this will be 40%, okay? Your turn. So can you try this fraction? I wonder what you get for decimal, and I wonder what you get for percentage. Good luck.